Hey everyone, welcome back to Ditectives Gaming and Tech. In today's video, we're going to walk through setting up your Vercel account and deploying your first project. If you missed our previous video on Vercel, be sure to check that out first. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need a Vercel account. Here's how to sign up. Open your browser and head over to Vercel's website. In the top right corner, click the Sign Up button. You can sign up using your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. For this tutorial, we'll use GitHub. If you choose GitHub, you'll be redirected to GitHub to authorize Vercel. Click Authorize Vercel to give it access to your repositories. Once you've authorized Vercel, you'll be redirected back to Vercel's dashboard. You're now signed up and ready to go. Next, let's link your GitHub repository to Vercel. Here's how. In your Vercel dashboard, click on New Project. You'll see options to import from GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Click Import Project under GitHub. You'll be presented with a list of your GitHub repositories. Choose the repository you want to deploy and click Import. Vercel will automatically detect the framework and build settings for your project. Review the settings and click Deploy. Your repository is now linked to Vercel, and your project is being set up for deployment. Finally, let's look at the initial project setup on Vercel. In the project settings, you can review the build settings and environment variables. Make sure everything looks good for your project. Click Deploy to start the deployment process. Vercel will build your project and deploy it to a live URL. Once the deployment is complete, you'll get a URL for your live site. Click on the URL to view your project live on the web. Congratulations! Your project is now live on Vercel. You can manage and monitor your deployments from the Vercel dashboard. And that's it for setting up your Vercel account and deploying your first project. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Ditectives Gaming and Tech for more tutorials and tech content. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bitbucket.com